The worst part about growing up is the fact that you can't order the things you really want to eat when you go out. Because the other night, I was at a restaurant I've never been to with some people that I work with. So we're not super close, and I don't want to do anything to embarrass myself in front of them. And the waitress gives me the menu, but nothing on it really looks that good until I turn to the very back page and I see chicken tenders on it. Everything else on the menu was a bunch of fancy foods that I couldn't even pronounce. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely getting the tenders. But then I look at the top of that page and it says that the chicken tenders are on the kids menu. So now I'm thinking, well dang, I can't order off the kids menu in front of these people that I don't even really know because they'll think I'm like an immature little kid. So I just ended up ordering the ratatouille. Dog, I didn't even know that was a real dish. I just thought it was the movie about the rat that cooks. Turns out this whole time, it's actually a dish that has a bunch of vegetables in it. I'm tired of having to order food like this. I just want to go back to ordering Happy Meals with a toy.